Alright, so basically, we've been MIA for a while on the channel. And what you're hearing in the background is a series of 3D printers, which is a new project that I'm working on. Our tiny home project, and I say this at almost 6 o'clock in the morning, a couple days after New Year's, is sitting here right where we left it. And so we've got the mini split installed, and it's just happily sitting here just chilling. The inside is an utter and complete disaster. And so amongst the many projects we have going on here, I am working on 3D printing stuff. And one of the things we're 3D printing is actually a spacer that's going to go into the corrugated metal, because I couldn't find the right profile to close off these gaps and stuff. So I went in CAD and I designed a piece of plastic, and so we're 3D printing that right now on our Bambu Lab 3D printer. Anyway, haven't forgot about you guys, haven't forgot about the channel. I did I don't know, 6.5, 7 months at a regular job, and decided to quit it right before Christmas to come back to doing my own thing. So now I finally got, enough free time. So I'm ordering a new camera today. These 3D printers, I just got them. We're going to come back to making regular posts. We're probably going to create another channel. That topic will probably be probably about my little 3D printer thing I got going on. Anyway, yeah. So it's supposed to be snowing on Monday here in the Northeast, and it is probably 20 degrees outside right now. And I'm standing out here in my socks. Yeah, time for me to sign off. Now that said, if you want to follow along, listen to my trials and tribulations trying to solve all these problems I've created in my life, or hear me complain about my marriage or what's left of it, feel free to like, share, subscribe. We got some drama coming, baby. Yeah, we didn't go offline for 8 months or however long it's been to come back and not have something interesting for y'all. So yeah, trust me, we're gonna be one of the more interesting YouTube channels before long.